stating Los Angeles cannot be bought. City leaders applauded a federal judge's ruling that the Trump administration cannot force local police like the LAPD to cooperate with ICE agents as a condition of obtaining federal grant money.
This is yet another dagger in the heart of the administration's efforts to use federal funds as a weapon to make local jurisdictions complicit in its civil immigration enforcement policies.
Cities across the country have for years received millions in federal money to pay for community policing, part of programs like LA Summer Nights basketball. But the LAPD's last application was denied because it refused to pledge its cooperation with ICE in sharing information, in access to jails, in deporting undocumented immigrants. So the city sued, saying the feds can't do that, and they won.
It's ironic that out of Washington we have somebody who said he would get tough on crime, but it's literally taken money away from police officers.
We won't be bullied, and we can't be bought. You cannot force us to go against our philosophies, to go against our principles.
Principles that go back decades, Special Order 40 it's called, which directs the LAPD not to enforce immigration laws. The idea is to build trust with the immigrant community. After President Trump was elected, that concept was basically expanded into California's SB 54, the so-called Sanctuary State Bill. All this as the City Council's Committee on Immigrants Affairs, formed after Mr. Trump took office, met to continue discussing how best to follow SB 54. It's a balancing act between removing undocumented criminals and maintaining that hard-won trust.
The balance is between, on the one hand, the more you cooperate with ICE, you may be removing some bad apples. On the other hand, the more you cooperate with ICE, the less people will report crime committed by bad apples.
That attorney, Peter Shea, has been hired by the city specifically to advise on immigration matters. The Trump administration's position basically is that cities that do not cooperate with ICE compromise public safety, a position, of course, the LAPD strongly disagree with. Late this afternoon, the Justice Department said they thought the judge's ruling was too broad, and they'll continue to defend their position. They feel they can withhold federal money if cities don't cooperate with ICE. Live near downtown, I'm Phil Schuman, Fox 11 News.